When you need a technological and intuitive, versatile and powerful machine, you need me. My screen makes your work more immediate by keeping the main welding parameters in evidence. The intelligence of the Wave OS guides you during the setup. The preset synergic curves allow you to start welding immediately, also in pulsed, either in pulse mode and/or on thin surfaces. With me, you can customize your work environment and create welding programs tailored to your needs. Save and export your work session data. Examine performance, consumption, and generate a precise production cost. Thanks to my versatility, you can work on different types of applications and materials in MIG, MMA, and TIG lift. I follow you wherever my intervention is needed. Get maximum control by adjusting the parameters directly from the torch handle without interrupting the process. Technomig 240 Wave, efficient intelligence.